USA! Gay be merry.
I like those colors. I really like the little Christmas trees on the back.
Yeah, little Christmas trees. Look at that. Get it.
Those are super cute.
Woo! Woo!
That song is kind of a bummer. It's weird.
We get her up to 80 miles an hour. Travel back to the future.
Back to last year's Christmas.
Is it a gator? Let's look closer. It's
a T-Rex or
a
something.
T-Rex with a Santa hat on. Hey, Josh is on that boat. Look at that Santa just taking a leak. Santa, how dare you? Yeah, he's going right on in the water. It's quite a powerful stream. Still got it after all these years. Merry Christmas! On the thing. Oh no, it's like a little.
And then the Santa's back there.
That's a big boy right there. She's seaworthy. Woo! A tropical Santa.
Oh yeah, and this little palm tree
kind of well.
Fuck, his palm tree is so.
He's got a limp tree.
I like the little pelican though. That's cute.
Right after the hurricane.
Merry Christmas!
Actually, both of those, I think.
Yeah, look at this. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Pirates of the high seas.
I told her I was going to this.
Harry Potter.
I love the colors of them.
I like the surfer dude. He is
Oh, it's a polar bear surfing. That's what's up.
Santa surfing.
No, it's polar bear.
The little
Like
tree.
old Viking ship, huh?
Hey, the Grinch.
It looks like Shrek.
He's a mean one. Woo!
Oh, they got a couple of Santas.
Oh, oh, oh.
Video and send it to the family thing. Because, to tell you the truth, I'll show her his boat first.
And then what we got? Popo finishing her up, keeping her safe, keeping the canal clear. Watch out. Oh yeah, that's Sergeant Slaughter up there, dude.
Ooh! No, I'm just saying. The end of the parade.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the boat parade, the Christmas LULU's Christmas Boat Parade down here in Gulf Shores, Alabama.
The end.
The end.